Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I'm excited to be here today to release the May 2022 Class to Go. Now, Laura and I have chosen a new collection of products from the 2022-2023 annual catalog. You can find them on page 78 and 79. And this month is all about the men in your life. So this collection is a fun collection of products. So let me share a closer look at it. Okay, so we've got a bundle, of course, and I love the stamps in this bundle because there is such a nice variety. There's some great greetings in here, but I love that it's not specific to men who like cars, or men who like the outdoors, or men who like to barbecue. So there's a little bit of everything in here, which is really, really nice. And the dies are amazing because not only do they coordinate with lots of these different greetings, but if you look at them, there's lots of different label shapes, which means that they are going to coordinate beautifully with stamps that you already have in your collection. So you will definitely want to add these dies to your collection. Okay. In addition to that, so that's the bundle that we'll be using, but there is also some fabulous DSP that is part of this collection. And one of the great things about this DSP, not only is the color combination, but look at this top sheet. These are all die cuts. You just pop them out. No fussy cutting, no die cutting, everything just pops out. A whole 12 by 12 sheet of die cut pieces. That is fabulous. So we're going to use some of those on the cards, and then of course there is, I just want to be careful when I move this. Oh, I've got two sheets here. Okay, all right. So we've got this pattern, and then the back side. We've got this pattern and the back side of that. So you can see that one side is kind of, it's got some imagery on it, and then the other side is just kind of more geometric, like a simple pattern. Although I believe both sides of this one is geometric. And then this one's fabulous. Okay, so those are the pattern papers. And then we've got some rustic metallic dots. So those are the products that are in this suite of products. The entire suite, so if you were to purchase the entire suite, you would get all of these products, and the cost is $94 plus shipping and taxes. Okay. So that is one of the class options that you can do. So that's the I Want It All option. You purchase the suite using the class host code from my online store, and I'll send you the consumables to create all 6 cards, plus the PDF, which includes measurements, photos, and links to videos for each one of the cards. Okay. Another option is if you already own this bundle, then you can purchase the Class to Go for $45. That will give you half a package of the DSP, a package of the rustic metallic dots, a spool of linen thread, and the pre-cut pieces to make all 6 cards, as well as the emailed PDF. Okay, so that is another option. If you are part of my Treasure Stampers team, you can choose, you will get the PDF for free. And if you want the pre-cut card kits, the cost is $15. If you are in Canada and would like to become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator so you can start getting a discount on your products, I would love to have you join my team. There will be a link in the description of this video to where you can do so. All right, and then of course for those of you who follow me who are outside of Canada, then there is a tutorial only purchase option as well. Okay, and that will be linked in the description below. Okay, so now in addition to this bundle that you'll need to have on hand in order to create the cards, the ink pads that we've used are Early Espresso, Sahara Sand, Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, and then Memento Black. Okay, now you don't have to have exactly these colors. If you've got colors similar, that will work just fine. Okay, and then you need the basics. You need a die cutting machine, you need blocks for your stamps, a stamp cleaner, some of those basics. All right, are you ready for a peek at the projects? Now I've got 5 of them done here. I'm going to just share a quick peek. One of them is a fun fold. Okay, so that's 5 of the 6 cards. All 6 of them are different, so it's a fabulous deal. The deadline to register is May 16th, and I will have a link to the blog post where you can find all of the information below, or you can always comment on this video and I'd be happy to answer your questions. All right, thanks so much for watching. I know you're going to love these cards, so I hope you decide to participate in the class. Take care.